What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are taking out this Peerless oil-fired boiler, single zone, in this closet that someone decided it was a bright idea to take the oil gun, I kid you not, there's the oil gun, and drill a hole for the gas, and thought that was an oil to gas conversion.
This is the first time a wrench has been put on this gas pipe. The only thing holding this all together was paint.
Jeez.
Thank God they painted these pipes, otherwise they would have had
Wow.
major leaks.
Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Well, what's crazy is that, I'm not crazy. This whole thing is crazy. That's why I say hacks bring me stacks. Here, we had a challenge right from the get-go. And the challenge is that we have a little bit of a language barrier. So I was able to overcome that by just carefully listening and trying to decipher. Because the homeowners here, great people, bought the house less than a year ago, inherited this monstrosity that was a good boiler at one point, but just was heavily neglected. We have the power here, this L1 and neutral. We have the power off here. We're gonna change this out in a little bit, put a nice little Pipe Doctor sticker on that. It's gonna look nice. We have all the gas gone. We can get rid of the gas. If Barry wants to get rid of, so bring stuff to the in front of the garage. Front of the garage. And when our Julio, our scrap metal guy, comes here, he'll have everything all in one place. All right. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the gas gun, the oil gun. I don't know how they did this, but if you take a look inside, there's your CAD cell relay right there, right? This is crazy. It really looks like they took pieces from maybe a conversion gun. This makes no sense. I can't even confirm it because this is nuts. This is literally nuts. But hold on, before I start like shooting myself in the foot, where would the oil go into this thing? I don't know. I don't really know, but that's very, very, very sus. Is that the definition of a B-vent?
Oh, I'm pretty sure. Right?
It's crazy. All right, we gotta get some water out of this bad boy. All right, we got our boiler feed valve there. Boiler drain valve, sorry. Damn, I keep misspeaking a lot of things. Domestic cold water coming in. I have that valve closed, that valve closed. Here is feeding the domestic coil. Wow. Here, maybe I carefully dump this somewhere.
I was just gonna take it outside if that's all right.
Yep, that's fine. This is literally bucket number 4. And that is coming out with pressure from the bottom boiler drain. And all the valves are closed. This is pressure. Look at this. I just did. I closed that one now after the meter. Yeah.
Are we boiling?
I don't know. Oh.
Yeah,
Nope, still going.
We're boiling. There's just so much heat trapped in this boiler.
All right, well now we're gonna let's undo this hose. That's annoying. Spam risk. Ow! God damn it, it's hot. Damn it! Ow! Whew. How's your hose, family? Come on, get on there. There we go. All right, let me know when that's outside. you know what's gonna happen? As soon as I hook this up, all the pressure's gonna be gone. Okay. Crazy. Check valve. Let me open that up. Yay! Yeah, we should probably use the bucket. The check valve is open. I just did the screw lefty loosey righty tighty. There's a bleeder up here. Pressure reducing, pressure relief valve. That's open. All right. So that's open, that's open, that's open, that's open. And we should now be able to take this bad boy out of here. We have to get over this piece of pipe. Maybe we'll cut this here.
And it's just getting occasional burps of water out of the hose.
What's that?
Occasional burps. Out of the
Okay.
hose.
Oh, this wide open?
Yeah, wide open. All right, I guess we'll start cutting this bad boy out. All right, 11 after 8 here in the morning on Monday. We have the boiler pretty much cut out of everything. Our 1-inch supply was coming from there with that menagerie of piping configuration and feeding the domestic coil. Oil gun, that's gone. Everything is isolated and closed off here. And that's a solid thud. That is a solid thud. It's crazy. Here, you film us. It's recording. Okay? No, the other way. There you go. Am I gonna clear? Maybe. Clear. Okay. Something just fell.
No, I got it.
Oh, I got it. Grab that.
I got it.
Okay, good. Remember, you gotta feed the people. That's
Yeah.
your job. The people are hungry for content.
Clear.
Want to spin this around? Or?
No, you can go right that. Yeah.
That thing is hot.
Yeah.
Wow.
I forgot to call you last night to turn it off.
Oh.
I just turned it off. I just turned it on this morning.
You just turned it on this morning?
Yeah.
You creating steam?
You want me to hold it up for you?
No. That thing's heavy. You can wheel it out.
You just don't want to hit the door with the thing sticking out.
Okay,
the
Mike,
side.
help.
Hold on, let me hold it up. Let me hold it up.
No, we're good.
I'll remove the bag so I don't fall.
Yeah. You know, when we need that thing is when we don't have it.
Yeah.
And now that we have the stair climbing hand truck, all right, I have to do a Yui.
Okay.
3-point turn. 3-point turn. And I'm not drunk.
Take off.
Damn, I was putting out steam.
No.
So we got
No,
one
you
door.
can take it off.
Yeah. All right.
You can take it off. Can I take it off?
Good luck with this. Oh, I'm driving.
Like the handle. Alright.
No. Because you lifting up the boiler is only going to lift the boiler, it's not going to lift the hand truck.
Grab the door, I'll grab the boiler.
Grab the door.
Grab the door. Ready? Yep.
Whoa, be careful.
Here we go.
That's it. Let's put it. Try that. That pole.
Slippers.
Okay. Put it down.
What am I doing?
That's getting it done. Teamwork, baby. You happy?
Sure.
Yeah. There it is. 3/4 plywood, 2x4 secured to the framing of the closet. We good. We'll straighten up the orientation of the piping a little bit so it looks nice and level, but not too shabby. Not too shabby. Oye, muchacho, Julio! Vaya! Yeah, it's a big boiler. Whew. All right, I gotta go on that roof right now. I gotta go on that roof. Put in the central term. All right. I'm on top of the GOG, or the roof, for those who don't understand Hebrew. We're on top of the roof. I'm sitting on the eave of the roof, overlooking Mill Road here in the village of Valley Stream. Nice, beautiful day here. Look at that. I look. Yeah, it's me, Mikey Pipes. I'm using the Innoflu Centrotherm 2-inch to line this chimney for this high efficiency condensing modulating boiler we're about to put in. Well, that we're putting in actually. I threw the top of the chimney over there, and I keep calling him Dove, and Barry happened to stick his head in at the exact same moment there, and he got hit in the face. So I feel bad, and he looks like a little cut, so hopefully he's okay. Fudge. Damn it. I didn't think he was gonna pop his head right there. It's crazy. But hopefully he's okay. I need to go get the liner, but I need to wait for him, and looks like I'm gonna be coming down off this chimney, off this roof, to see how he's doing. All right, 11:10. That electric box that was on this wall is now a single handy box with my incoming line voltage. Daniel normally wires these things. We got the fresh air going outside already. Daniel normally wires these things, so he's not here. He's running service calls. Let's just open this box up. And I disconnected our spark igniter to the spark igniter. Open this down a little bit, and voila! Look at this. This couldn't get any more easier. Look at this. Come here, Barry and Mike. Look at this. We have low voltage on the left and line voltage on the right. And everything is easy peasy, and right in front of everything are knockouts.
Wow, look at all the space in that boiler.
I know. You have
an American hand in there.
Yeah. Want to put your hands in there too? That's quadruple fister.
Let's see how many American hands can fit.
I know, but look at this. Everything is so easy to work with here.
It's unlabeled, easy access.
Yeah. Crazy.
I've seen some of these Asian brands that you cannot fit your hands into.
Especially those Takagis.
Yeah, I guess they're not.
Yeah.
Either.
All right, I'm going to start wiring this bad boy up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 12:20. Still the 2nd of December in 2024. Take a look at this beautiful installation. Look at how many square feet we gave back to them. Our relief valve is dripping, by the way. Why is our relief valve dripping? Our pressure is high. Our relief valve is dripping. Oh yeah, we have high pressure. All right, we never lowered this back down. All right, all good. We lowered the pressure on our Calefi half-inch pressure reducing valve. So let's talk about our piping. We'll start with domestic water. Domestic cold water coming in with half-inch press. We go to 3/4, and then I feed my boiler and my domestic cold water supply going into the boiler. I have these nice, cool little tankless flush valves right there. Why is that sweating there? Why is that sweating? It would help if the condensate trap was tight. Okay, so domestic water coming in, feeding the pressure reducing valve. I got my backflow prevention check valve there. I got some brass fittings here. Half-inch with the Webstone expansion tank isolation valve. Allows us to empty the tank, take the pressure out without flooding out the place. Webstone 1.25" press. Air eliminator. I got a piece of split ring hanger there with threaded rod to that plate, and we're feeding our circulator, Takeo 0015E, ECM 3-speed circulator, set on high, isolation flanges before and after. Supplyhouse.com, effed up big time yet again. I ordered the pair, one with purge, one without. They sent 2 without purge, and I had to use a 3/4 inch press valve with purge, isolation valve with purge. That really sucked. It's about $40 because they effed me right in the keister here, supplyhouse.com, and I replaced that solder male adapter going into this existing 1-inch Street 90. Return came across here. Bing, bing, boom, boom. There you go. Centrotherm venting up to the roof. 2-inch. We good there, and our fresh air coming from outside. 30 PSI relief valve, factory supplied, field installed. A little union there. So we can take this out without cutting this to replace the valve in the future. Dripping to the floor. Sweet. Not too shabby. All right, so now that the boiler is done and providing reliable, dependable, and efficient and clean burning space heating and domestic water, the only thing that's left is this menagerie, or this relic that hasn't been true in quite some time. Look at that, like magic. That is magic. See, now it makes sense. Boiler emergency switch, boiler service switch, boiler emergency switch, boiler service switch. Got it? Excellent. Smash that thumbs up button.
So ladies and gentlemen, if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and looking to upgrade your heating system, and considering a tankless combi, you want to come to our shop at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere. We'll show you the Alta by Burnham. We'll show you the Whale McLean Ecotech, and we'll show you a Bosch Green Star that's not on the wall. We install for tankless systems. We install the Bosch Green Star. We install the Lochinvar Knight. We install the Whale McLean Ecotech and the US boiler Burnham Alta. 4 great exceptional machines that are amazing, reliable, durable, dependable, and just simply professional machines. But look how much room's inside the Alta. Look at all of this room that's inside here. You could literally do a lot inside this machine if you need to make a repair. Let me just pop that cover off right there. Look at all that room. You can work on this machine if you need to replace the circulator, the 3-way valve, blower motor. It's all in here. Look, my hand is banging on the back wall of this like I'm knocking on your door asking you, when can I put a system in for you? Call us now, 516-348-6400. Happy holidays. Ho, ho, ho!